Former Principal Private Secretary of Manipur Governor Yumnam Ibomcha has alleged malpractices in the recruitment process of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, in short Jnmda. While accusing the director in charge of GN Manipur Dance Academy, Pukrambam Bilash, for facilitating the malpractices in the academy, Yumnam Ibomcha said complaints have been raised to Sangeet Natak Academy, Delhi, regarding the malpractice, but actions are yet to be initiated. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Yumnam Ibomcha produced various documents substantiating his allegations against Pukrambam Bilash. Speaking further, Ibomcha maintained that in an inquiry that was conducted in 2022 by Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi, it was found that P. Bilash has a 3 different date of births. Due to this, he was not allowed to travel outside India for a program organized by Indian Council for Cultural Relations. Ibomcha also asserted that P. Bilash holds an Indian passport bearing 1982 as his year of birth, while his younger brother's year of birth is 1980.
2013 da man Indian passport Indian passport is 1975 in the part. Mardi man 1999 metric pass over mana metric tadi man 1982 hire. 2013 that passport the man metric say to Hatara 1975 a Hapaga Pala passport made. Another passport on Jumador member 2022. Madudana mana lays 1982 in Pada. Hyper Ma Haven Pazia, say Taraga Nitu is the only way. 10 family.
On the other hand, Yumnam Ibomcha also asserted that P. Bilash joined a GN Dance Academy as a minor artist 1998 due as per response from RTI. He again joined the academy in 2005 on contract basis. However, the appointment letter could not be produced for the letter. But it came to light that Bilash had submitted 1998 as joining year as a dancer in the academy. Ibomcha also maintained that the Bilash passed his matriculation on 1999 and to enter as a dancer for GN Dance Academy, a candidate is required to have minimum qualification of class 12. Speaking further, Yumnam Ibomcha maintained that despite the discrepancies and charges of forgery, P. Bilash continued to hold important position at the academy.
Magi joining report anili. Joining reports amana 1998, amana 2005. Masiki joining reports view haimatamda RTI reply in the man not available available late day man lay available where chile man not available and hali ni man so itorga masi sidalay ba soise ay marup yuji hingimni longjam joy chandra tamdugi director joining reports 1990 asina chumbra hai kan chumde kalina chumma 2005 joining reports pare yare sidi haide 2005 is the man chumani and man period RTI reply. Parenang Kari when joined to dancer when joined to appointment order to like my hand there is no appointment. Appointment order yaw than employee amana karamba office employment history in the context of Labak city context the example of country they come. Order yaw than ma joined to as ma masana sweater madi I inquiry report Makai public domain to put over the governor I inquiry report Ministry of Culture Adu the Yungu Masi appointment order yaw than a tabuk joint we have history that way employment history in the other.